Good morning, Primary 6. Welcome back to the math session. In this math session, we are going to continue your word problems. If the previous video we have learned about the word problems number 1 to 4, we're going to learn in this meeting 5 to 8. The rest. So please get yourself ready, and this is number 5. At the market, a pear costs B cents and an apple costs 5 cents less than a pear. Means that a pear costs B cents. We do not know how much a pear costs, and then an apple costs 5 cents less than a pear. It means that this apple is cheaper than this pear. Mrs. Ravi bought 5 pears and an apple. A. Find the total amount in cents Mrs. Ravi paid in terms of B. Okay. So at first, we're going to find out what we know and what we don't know. Pear equals B cents. A pear costs B cents. An apple is pear minus 5, right? Apple costs 5 cents less than a pear. If pear is B, means B minus 5 for the apple. And then the total. How many apples Mrs. Ravi bought? 5 pears and an apple. So 5 pears. 5B, 5 times B, 5B, and an apple, B minus 5. Okay? After that, we have this B and B. 5B plus B minus 5, 6B minus 5. That is the algebraic expression for A. Find the total amount is this answer. 6B minus 5 cents. And then go to the B. If each pear costs 60 cents, how much did Mrs. Ravi pay? Now we have this one, and then we know that we have this condition that B equals 60. Apple B minus 5, and then the total is 5 times 60 cents for the pears, and the 55 cents. So actually, Mrs. Ravi paid 355 cents for all. Huda had Y meter of cloth. She used 2 meters to sew a skirt. She used the remaining cloth to make 3 dresses. A. Find the amount of cloth she used to make each dress in terms of Y. To make each dress. So at first, Huda had Y meter. And Huda used 2 meters, means Huda used 2 meters for a skirt, right? And how for the dress? She used the remaining cloth. The remaining cloth means that Y minus 2 divided by 3. Why divided by 3? Because Huda made 3 dresses. So A, find the amount of clothes she used to make each dress. The answer is Y minus 2 divided by 3, or Y minus 2 per 3. And then plain B. If Huda had 11 meters of cloth, how much cloth was used for each dress? So a dress is Y minus 2 per 3. And now we have this condition that Y equals 11. So 11 minus 2 divided by 3 equals 3 meters. So each meter will use 3 meters. A dress will use 3 meters. Sandy sold 4 times as many oranges as apples. She sold a total of 70 apples and oranges. How many apples did Sandy sell? So Sandy sold 4 times as many oranges as apples. What is the algebra? What is the algebra for this? Algebraic expression will be apples Z. I want to use Z for the apples, so it means that for the orange, 4Z. 4 times as many orange as apples. Okay? She sold a total of 70 apples. So 5Z. How do we know that 5Z? 4Z plus Z, 5Z. So 5Z equals 70. And for 1Z will be 70 divided by 5 equals 40. Is that the answer? Nope. That is because Z. Is Z apples? Yes. Z is referred to apples. It means that apples equals 40. How many apples did Sandy sell? 14 apples. Kind of easy, right? Go to the next. Sally used a piece of wire 60 cm long to form a rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 5 cm longer than its breadth. What is the length of the rectangle? Sally used length equals breadth plus 5 cm. How do we know that this is breadth plus 5? The length of the rectangle is 5 cm longer plus 5. So the breadth will be breadth, or I want to use B. Okay? After that, Sally used a piece of wire 60 cm long. It means that the perimeter, not the area. So this one, what is that? Breadth. So B centimeter. And then go for the length. B plus 5. Is this a rectangle? Nope. You need one more. B centimeter. B plus 5 centimeter. So actually, use a piece of wire 60 centimeter long is a perimeter. For all of these will be the 60 centimeter. And then you know that the formula of perimeter is 2 times breadth plus length, or 2 times B, this one for the breadth and the length, B plus 5. Because our equation is only the one length, the length. Artinya cuma satu aja yang ditanya. So, what should we do? Divided by 2, because we are asked only one length. So 60 centimeter divided by 2 equals 30 centimeter, and then B plus B, 2B plus 5. And then 2B equals 30 centimeter minus 5. Can we find the B? Yes, 12.5 centimeter. But is that the answer? No, because the question asking you the length. So length, what is that? Breadth plus 5. So 12.5 plus 5, 17.5 centimeter. So that's all for our word problems. We have discussed about 8 word problems. If you still don't get it, if you still have any question about it, please ask me through the comment section or the Edmodo DM, yeah? That's all for today, Primary 6. I hope all of you get the point. Thank you and goodbye.